All right, per request of the customer, he said he wants a before and after. He watches my videos, right? They can't hear you. They can't hear you.
All the time.
There we go. Boy George, GWORKS Lean Auto Finish, never ride dirty, book it down Bronx, you already know. And we're gonna hit this headlight restoration. And the reason being is that he can't see anything with his headlights at night. So, can you see anything at night?
Hell no.
I got my DA polisher, 600 grit. So, in the video you've seen with my headlight restoration, you said it sounds louder?
Yeah.
So basically we're gonna go from 600 to 800 and then 1500. I don't think we'll have to do 2000 because then I'll just compound it. But as you can see here, that's what we want to see. That white milky stuff, that's what we want to get rid of. That's what failed on these headlights. So we're getting rid of that clear coat. I just want to show you guys real quick. You know, I'm not going to take up the whole video recording this, but 600 grit, 800 grit, 1500 grit, and then you could go to 2000. But I'm going to just show you guys real quick what it's looking like just hitting it with the 600. One, I ain't got that much memory on my phone right now, so. That's not completely done yet. I'm gonna have to tackle this by hand as this headlight has little nipples on it. So I'm gonna have to hit those parts by hand. That side is already broken off. He knows about it. I recorded it. It's on video. It's there already. But that's so far with 600. So far, this is where I'm at, just with 600 grit. Now I gotta do this by hand because as you can see, I gotta get around all this. I gotta hit the edges and I gotta get in here. So I got my sandpaper here. So far, that's what it's looking like. So far, what you think?
Everything's good.
Huh?
Everything's coming out better than what I expected.
GWORKS, baby!
That's right.
Right? Yo, it looks big difference?
Hell yeah. As soon as I came on, let's see. See that? She looks right here. Right here, right.
Let's see.
You can see the difference.
Ooh,
from
my
here,
man right here.
Right here to right here. Come over here. Look how clean it is. Look,
Come on, they don't know.
nice.
They don't know about GWORKS.
What? GWORKS work.
It's a car to get around, but main thing is being safe on the road. He turns those headlights on, he can't see anything at night.
Right.
Yeah, especially when you hit those highways that there's no light posts.
Well,
You know, you got to see.
I already know when it comes to 99.
So now we moved on to 800 grit. And next I'm gonna hit it with 1500 grit. After the 15, then I'll hit it with the compound. I'll just spray my soapy solution. My tape is going everywhere. But now I'm going to my 1500 grit, which is right here. This is 1500. And I'll pause it now because I'm doing this one-handed. So I just finished hitting it with the 1500. It's all off, and I'll go to compounding with my wool pad. And then I'll polish with my foam pad. I'll bring you in after. Huh? Headlights. I did yours, right?
Yeah.
Let's show, right? So, how were they before? They were, huh?
Worse.
Came out good, huh?
Yeah.
You thought you needed new ones?
Yeah, I needed new ones. But now it looks like new.
Brand new. There we go.
No special rate if you want.
Huh?
Before and after. I mean, before and after. There's a big difference.
Oh, yeah,
was
yeah.
Like that.
Yours was like that.
Yeah, it was like that.
There we go. That's his.
This guy, the guy that's working here?
Yeah.
Nice.
So in this case, I'm going to be using Rio's Garage correcting cream, because it'll compound and it'll get rid of the scratches, and it'll also leave it like a polish. Yeah. This is my 3-inch wool pad. I'll bring you in after. Like I said, I'm doing this one-handed. I'm by myself. I have no camera person. Right now, I finished compounding it. So we went from this right here. Come here. Let's see this man's reaction. Huh?
Brand new, man.
What's the channel to watch?
You already know, man.
As you can see in this video with the headlight restoration, that was a hoopty, but it's not what the car looks like. It's about being safe on the road.